Well, more Americans are seeking a healthy, natural, well-balanced lifestyle, and CBD products are a part of that. Now, a company that's bringing all that together is Emerald Organic. And with me is the CEO, Ian Parker. So great to have you
Pleasure.
here today.
Thank you.
So let's start with the company. Emerald Organic, give me an overview of what you're doing.
Sure. So the mission of Emerald Organic is to provide high-quality health and wellness products for a more holistic approach to health and wellness. We have a top-tier management team. We come out of Metrics, EAS, Quest Nutritional, Godiva, Lindt Chocolates, so bigger consumer brands. And our goal is to, through our flagship brand, Pura Vida Vitamins, is to provide our gummies, our award-winning gummies for that matter, tinctures, topicals, and also other supplements.
Okay. And where can I find these products?
You can find them online. We're also in various retailers. Our retail distribution has just launched, so we did our soft launch in April and May. The product sold through very well, and we are now in the hard launch phase. Okay.
Now, there's a lot of CBD companies out there, so what makes Emerald Organic different than those?
So the biggest differentiator for us is the fact that we have a top-tier management team. Again, coming out of much larger brands, one of the things that's challenging for the industry has been the supply chains. So coming out of much larger brands, quality control is absolutely crucial for us. We actually delayed our launch last year in 2018, largely because of the immature CBD supply chains, and we went down to the farm level. We went vertical down to the farm level so we could create a seed-to-label quality control program. And what that's done is basically opened us up to nationwide distribution as well as worldwide distribution.
Okay, sure. So you know your product is consistent, it's meeting the health standards. Now, speaking of all that, it's still kind of fuzzy with the FDA and CBD products, and how do we know what's in what and so forth. So that's one of the biggest challenges, it seems like, to this industry right now.
It is the biggest challenge right now, because right now what you have is basically patchwork regulation amongst various local and state governments regarding CBD. And that's largely because the FDA hasn't clarified their position yet. They're going to. I'm asked often by retailers and consumers alike, are you concerned about the FDA's position? And the answer is no, and here's why. You have millions of people voting with their pocketbooks. You have hundreds of thousands of farmers finally starting to make money on a crop. You have tens of thousands of manufacturing jobs being created on a monthly basis. And on top of it, you have Mitch McConnell and Chuck Schumer on the same side of an issue. That's not
a no-brainer, right?
Yes,
I mean, it's going to get done. So what ideally would you like to see the FDA establish?
They need to establish standards. So one of the problems that we face is we're facing a lot of opportunistic marketeers that are coming into this space. That's problematic for the industry. So we're trying to take a category captain type of position where we're leading the way as to what those standards need to be. And we'd like everybody across the industry to follow our leadership, and we'd like the FDA to step in and really standardize it and get rid of these opportunistic marketeers.
Because it's confusing for the consumer. I mean, you don't know what you're buying, you see it advertised, is this really CBD? I mean, it's just it's kind of a murky phase right now.
It's very problematic.
Yeah.
And when you see pure CBD, that's our trademark, you know that it's seed to label. That's how you can ensure you're getting good CBD. Other than that, right now there are no standards. So the Hemp Roundtable is meeting on these things as well. We have our voice in that as well, and standards are coming.
Yeah, okay. Where are the big opportunities in CBD?
The biggest opportunity right now that we see is taking a category captain position. So basically take a leadership position here and set the standards. If we set the standards for the industry, we'll be able to help create a marketplace that people can trust. And that right now is the biggest opportunity for us. We're in the process of doing that through providing proper education to both the consumers and the retailers, and we're seeing a lot of success with that.
Okay, and how can somebody find out more about Emerald Organic?
Emerald Organic, you can go to www.puravitavitamins.com, and we have an entire section on our company.
Okay, great. Well, best of luck to you, Ian.
We appreciate it.
Great to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Yes, and thank you as well for joining us. We'll be right back.